Hi! Ever had your Xiaomi multi-essential decide it just doesn't want to charge? So frustrating, right? It's no big deal. We've got this one under control. Let us show you how we tackled this troublesome robot vacuum and got it back to work. We had a customer reach out with a Xiaomi multi-essential that just wouldn't charge. They brought it to us, hoping for a miracle. We did our usual test run, and guess what? The robot worked perfectly, gliding around like it was on a mission. But the minute we tried to plug it in, it was like the charger didn't even exist. We tried plugging and unplugging, wiggling and adjusting, but nope, it wouldn't take the charger no matter how many times we tried. It was like the robot had a serious case of charger aversion. After numerous attempts, we knew something was up. So, we dug deeper, and what did we find? A faulty battery. No wonder the robot wasn't charging, it was basically on strike. So, what did we do? We recommended a battery replacement. But wait, there's more. Since this robot has been around the block a few times, we also suggested a deep cleaning service to restore its performance. With the customer's thumbs up, we replaced the battery and gave the robot a deep clean service. We made sure to test it out thoroughly before sending it back. Tada! The Xiaomi multi-essential is now recharged, revitalized, and ready to tackle dirt with renewed vigor. It's like a brand new robot, but without the new robot price tag. We returned the robot to our customers and they were happy with its performance. So, what's the deal with your robot vacuum? Reach out to us today, and let's get your robot back to doing what it does best.